Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to report a lost Netspend card. If your Netspend card is lost or stolen, you need to report it immediately to prevent the unauthorized use. And you can also use a customer call available. You can go to your Netspend account first, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar, type down netspend.com and enter it over here. And once you reach into this interface of your Netspend, go all the way to the bottom until you find to this help center here. You can go to this help center and scroll a bit down and you can find this phone here, and you can call to this number as well. And this is the fastest way to block your card and prevent unauthorized transaction. You can also report through the online account. If you have access to your account, you can log into your Netspend account, then you can report lost or stolen card, or you can also request a replacement card. You can simply scroll a bit down and go to this email here, and you can select to this customer service netspend.com. You can simply copy to this email and go to your Gmail and select to this compose in the top left here. And over here you can type down the subject and what has happened to you. You can submit a request after that, and you can select to this send, and this is it. And the Netspend will block the lost card immediately. And you can also request a replacement card and monitor your account for the unauthorized activity. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.